Hey guys, this is gonna be a follow-up video to my upgrade on my Ender 3. Right now, printing out a turnip head. It's gonna be my Halloween costume. It's gonna be a big one, but I only have the Ender 3 V2, so it's not, a big plate. So I gotta print it in sections. And also, I printed this after I upgraded this. This is a little Goku, so I gotta build that. Glue his head in together because it was, I had to do it in pieces also. And yeah, kind of modular, you kind of put it together like a little figure. And then right on, well, I came inside to get glue because show you quick. I'm soldering this Gundam. I'm making a video too, you'll probably see that later, but right now I'm soldering, putting everything together. Again, I had to do all these in pieces because my printer's not big enough. So hopefully, I'm looking into getting the Cobra Max. That'll print it all in one. And I went to go buy some primer today because the primers I had were just bad. I guess they were old. I don't know how spray paint gets old, but then these are some pieces I did, kind of did some wood plaster and stuff, sanding, make it all smooth. But that's what I'm working on right now. I'm doing the middle part right here, and then I'll probably let all that dry because I'm getting eat up by mosquitoes. It's pretty bad. But yeah, just a little update just to show that the printer's working and going. And yeah, stay on the lookout for stay on the lookout for the other videos. I'm gonna be putting out this one for Halloween, or maybe sooner, and then the Gundam should be done pretty soon. And yeah, this is stuck. Okay, bye.